Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to invest in real estate without owning an apartment. In fact, you will need as little as 50 euros and you will become a real estate owner. That sounds good, doesn't it? You will be able to tell your friends that you own real estate and all your friends will be jealous. So let's see how we can do it. There are two ways that we can do it. The idea is similar, but the legal setting behind are a bit different. The first is through stocks. You're probably wondering how stocks and real estate are related. So there is something called a REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust. These are companies that invest in real estate. They buy real estate and then they rent it for commercial or residential purposes. Therefore, this company receives a constant cash flow. The cool thing about REIT is that they have to pay 90% of their taxable income to their shareholders. You receive a fixed income just by owning these stocks. The annual yield of these stocks on average is 13% per year. You could invest in single REIT companies or multiple REIT companies through a REIT ETF. An example of it is the iShares Developed Markets Property Yield UCITS ETF. There are REITs that invest in different things. The best known and biggest REIT is Realty Income. Some companies are more oriented towards investing in office space and then renting it out to big corporations. Other companies are more towards residential buildings. Others provide retirement homes and so on. There are even companies that rent out space for data centers and servers, and they're used by big companies like Amazon and Microsoft. An example of this is Equinix. Depending on the real estate sector you want to go to, there are plenty of options out there. Another way is to invest through crowdfunding. This is more fun because you are more involved in the projects. You get to choose in which real estate investment and projects you want to invest in, and you can check out all the details of that project. There are many platforms out there that allows you to do this. This platform simply connects the construction companies with potential investors. The platform screens this construction company, but they cannot guarantee success of these projects. There are two main crowdfunding options. In lending crowdfunding, there is a construction company that wants to make a building and they need money. So it's basically a loan that they will repay. In equity crowdfunding, you put the money down and become a partner in this project. This newly created company is separated from the construction company and it owns the building. So you own part of the building. You will receive money through renting this building or through the selling of new apartments. I would suggest to you to choose the platform based on where you want to invest in. Different platforms specialize in different parts of Europe. If you want to invest in the Baltic and Nordic countries, I would then suggest Estate Guru, or another one that is very popular is Crowd Estate. If you're more into the Southern European market, two big companies are Hausers, which is especially for the Spanish market, and Wallians, especially for the Italian market. For the German market, then we have iFunded. The return on investment depends on how risky the project you're investing in, the country, and the reliability of the company. The German market, of course, is the safest and you get around 5%, while for the Baltic region you can get up to 15%. The minimum investment for this platform, it can range from 50 euros to 500 euros. This platform will give you an estimate of return on investment and time it takes to build these apartments. However, it could take more, and in that case, the return on investment, it would increase. Once you invest that money, it's really hard to get it back. Therefore, use only money that you're sure you're not going to need in next years. The benefits of these two methods is that you don't need a lot of money, and it's pretty liquid investment compared to just buying an apartment. Once you buy an apartment, it's really hard to then sell it, and you need to pay a lot of fees to sell an apartment. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe and let me know down below. Bye guys!